Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll know that what is constructor. Okay, we'll see this. We use constructor under class. Okay, and every class you will see this. We need to initialize the constructor, or you need to create a method that's called constructor. Okay, so what is constructor? A constructor is a special method in a class that is automatically called when an object of that class is created. Okay, it means that when the object is when the object is created, the function is automatically called. Okay, so why you need this file? First let me tell you that like I will print a message like welcome. Okay, when I pin this, we'll see before time I pin this. So I pin this, the same message automatically come. I just write well, you'll see this. I just create the object. I didn't call the this init method. Okay, I just call the object and run it. The time the print it under its constructor, the method is method is called. Okay, so why you need this? When you need to use constructor in a given class, and what code we should written inside the constructor, means what things you could not give the access to user. Okay, like if, for example, like if you are going to ATM and you just insert the card, and you will see this, there's a pop-up window there showing that what you want to do: withdraw money, check balance, or deposit money. So the page is coming in front of you, so you don't need to the bank do not to give the access to come the page, any page in front of user. Okay, it's automatically come when you insert the card. Okay, okay, so that time we need to write this function inside the constructor like this. I will see you the one example I'll written over here. I will create a bank ATM class ATM function. I will write the simple function. Okay, inside this first I call this and I call this function. We'll see nothing is created. I just call the I insert the card. Object is created means I insert the card, but nothing window, nothing shown in the constructor. So what will you do this? I'll return what I written inside the menu function. I just call the menu function inside the constructor. We'll see the magic. Okay, nothing. I nothing do anything special. I just call this and you'll see this. Okay, I just run the object. This function is automatically created, automatically called in the menu function or method, because I write this inside the constructor. Like I suppose I like suppose I want to create pin. I just pin one, okay, pin underneath the balance. I just need the write the basic function, basic class. Okay, not very special. And then next time, although the constructor automatically called, okay, I need to put the check balance 3, enter pin. I pin set 25. You see the I see the balance. Okay, this is how it's work. Okay, so that is how we use constructor. Means like for example, if you are going to book a Ola cab or in cab in Uber, see, either have the all control like searching the cab, book the cab, book the do the payment. All the things have the control of user. But what things that user don't have? What control user don't have? You don't the user don't have the permission to connection the internet, connection the internet or connection the database. Okay, it's automatically connected to the database. Okay, it don't depend on user. So that time what function when you use constructor, when you need to return some configuration related code. Okay, when you need to return some configuration related code, that time you use that time we write this under the constructor method like this. Like here I just used I just call the one function. But if I use it, like suppose one database like MySQL, so I write the all the connection related code inside the constructor. Okay, I don't need to create any other class. Even I don't call it. Here I call the menu function, but that time we just written the what the connection related code inside the constructor. Okay, because when the object is called, the database connection trigger automatically. Okay, I don't need to manually call the database connection related code function called. Okay, so that time we use the constructor. It is very important when you write to need the configuration related code, like you don't need to give the access to call the function. So that time you use the that time you write this code inside the constructor. Okay, that is how we use constructor. This is a very simple example I'll give show you and also said. So please, if you like this particular video and if you have any query, please write in the comment section below. I'll try to help you out. Thank you guys.